Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Benks product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Benks. They sent me the Glass Warrior tempered glass screen protector for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. In this video, we're going to get a good look at what's inside this very, very bold presentation. And then we're going to go through the install. And when it's all said and done, we'll make sure everything looks the way it's supposed to. Try out a few cases, make sure we're not going to have any issues with lifting. Make sure the fit isn't just going to work with a Benks case, but a couple other cases from a couple other companies. The packaging, again, bold. Glass wire screen protector. There's the Benks handyman there since 2008. Crystal clear. HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, scratch resistance, strengthened dust proof, strong anti-fingerprint, enhanced impact resistance, full coverage protection, smooth hand sensation, responsive touch, meaning that you're going to get the response you want with the Glass Warrior tempered glass screen protector on your S25 Ultra, and I will definitely test that out. So let's go ahead and get into this very nice packaging. What I'm going to do is read all the information that's on the applicator kit here. And I can't stress this enough. Read everything. This should be a very simple install. But again, read everything. Do everything that I'm doing in this video. And everything should come out the way it's supposed to. Clean the screen, then align applicator to the phone. The applicator's top is at the camera side. So you can see it says top right there. That's where you want to place this area right over the top where the front-facing camera is of your S25 Ultra. Secure the applicator and pull out strap 1, which is this guy right here. Attach halfway, then pull out strap 2. So you just want to make sure you look at the illustration as well, along with the instructions. Finish air removal and peel off the alignment film to complete. So I will show you that during the process. All right, what I want to do now is turn off my S25 Ultra here. It just makes it a lot easier to do the screen protector install with the device powered down. And I have to take off the current tempered glass screen protector. All right, let's go ahead and clean off the display. Okay, front-facing camera up here. Says top. It's easier to see the instructions with the applicator kit sitting over the top of my S25 Ultra display there. Okay, I want to make sure I get this completely right. All right, let's do this. Number 1 first, just like that. The next step is to pull this guy right here, this little tab, number 2, out halfway, that's going to cause the screen protector to actually adhere to the display of your S25 Ultra. So we're going to pull that. And I don't know if you can see it, but that's actually happening. It's sticking to the display. And then you just pull it out. So it should have laid perfectly onto my S25 Ultra. And if there's any bubbles, it'll be very, very minimal. So we want to go from the top, which is then going to pull the protective film away from the glass wire screen protector. Yeah, just a couple little bubbles there. Very nice. Very, very thin glass protector there. That right there, folks, is beautiful. So I can turn my S25 Ultra back on, and I'll be back with a few cases. Okay, here we have the Nilken Nature TPU Pro magnetic case, and we're going to put that on. Clear case so you can see my Soapy Guard Godzilla skin there. And what we want to do is make sure that there's still a bubble right there, but that'll come out. It'll work its way out. Anyway, so we want to make sure that there's no lifting along the corners there. Everything looks great. Just enough space between the screen protector and the Nilken case. So no issues whatsoever. Here we have the Samsung Kind Suit case. Feels like leather, but it isn't leather. Okay. No lifting. Push up against the sides, top and bottom. You're creating some pressure there up against the edge of the screen protector to see if that causes any issues, and it is not. It is not. But this type of case here, this case here is all open, but there's a lot of lip going on here. Hardly any lip, but you do have space to sport camera glass lens protectors. I would really, really suggest that. This one is from VRS. This is the Glide Dual Guard Black Groove case. The wallet case. Okay. A little more rugged here. Minimalistic cases. Actually, this is probably the most minimalistic case. It's got that velvet texture on the inside too. This has a little more protection. Okay. Pressure not causing any issues. Perfect. You can see that there's a little distance going on there between the lip of the case and the edge of the glass protector there, all the way around. Yeah. No issues. For those of you that love cases that are a little more rugged. There you go. Look at that camera door there. Okay, here we have the Pathfinder Acta lava case. Did I say Acta? Active lava case from UAG. Some pressure along the sides, push up against that screen protector at the bottom there. No issues. No issues. Just enough space. Yeah, that is nice. That is really nice. Again, there are reviews for all of these cases here on the channel. And this one here for last, because this is going to have a frame. From Poetic. This is the Guardian. The frame is not causing any issues with the Benks Glass Warrior screen protector. Pressure along the sides, top, bottom, and nothing. Okay, I'm gonna go find a Benks case here. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the Benks Smooth Touch case here, which feels like leather, and it does have a very smooth touch to it. It does have magnet for MagSafe as well. But this was the important one to test out as far as the Poetic Guardian, because of the separate frame from the back part of the case, and no issues whatsoever. No issues. No issues. Pressure, top, bottom, and sides. No lifting, no bubbles on the corners with any of these cases. The Glass Warrior is definitely a Warrior screen protector. Very thin glass, tempered glass screen protector. And yeah. And now we're going to test out the touch response. Fingerprint reader works great. Google Feed works great. No issues there. Let's go over to videos. So no issues whatsoever.
By bundling our home and auto insurance.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out yet another Benks product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be looking at the... No issues, folks. No issues. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Benks, once again, thank you so much for the opportunity. All the information to purchase everything that was in this video down below in the description area. And with that, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace.